We are going to start now lecture 2 of chapter 10 class 11th mathematics, straight lines. In this lecture we will talk about various forms of equations of a line. So the equation of a line means, suppose we are having, this is the straight line, this is some point A over here, this is the point B over here. So this is in the coordinate plane, this is x axis, y axis. We have different points over here. So we are talking about the linear relationship between x and y. We are talking about a relationship between x and y. It is a linear relationship, and all these points which lie on this line, they will satisfy this equation, and any other point in this plane, it will not satisfy this equation. Then that equation, it is the equation of a line. So first we have is the equation of x axis. So we are saying, we are having, this is the x axis, this is the y axis, this is the point O that we have. Now suppose we are talking about any point pxy over here. We know that the slope of this line OP, it is 0. So if we calculate the slope of this line OP, this O, it is 0, 0. The answer we obtain, it is y minus 0 over x minus 0, and the slope we have, it is 0. So we are obtaining y is equal to 0. So we are saying that the equation of this line, this x axis, it is y is equal to 0. Another way to look at this equation, it is, we are saying, if we consider any point on this line, then it is of the form p x comma 0. The value of this y is always 0 when the point lies on the x axis, and this x can take any value. So we are saying, what this y is equal to 0 means, that we have any point x comma y in the coordinate plane. We have fixed this point y equal to 0. It means we are talking about all the points of the form x comma 0. X can take any value. If you substitute, say x is equal to 1, you will obtain the point 1 comma 0, you will obtain the point 2 comma 0, you will obtain the point 1.5 comma 0. So if you plot all these points, we are saying that we are basically talking about the x axis. Similarly, when we are saying the equation of y axis, we are having, this is the y axis. If we take any point on y axis, any general point, it is of the form 0 comma y. It means the value of x that we will have, it is 0. So we are having the equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. If you want to calculate the equation of y axis using slope, we are saying that the slope of this line, it is not defined. Suppose it is, we are writing 1 by m2 should be equal to 0. This implies us x minus 0 over y minus 0 is equal to 0, and this implies us x is equal to 0. This thing implies us that x is equal to 0. So this is the equation of y axis, it is x is equal to 0, and equation of x axis, it is y is equal to 0. Next is any line which is parallel to y axis. We are talking about any line which is parallel to y axis. So these are this is the x axis that we have, and this is the y axis that we have. We are talking about two lines. One is this line, it is passing through the point A, and this is passing through the point minus A. So we are saying, if we consider any point on this line, we are talking about any point on this line, it is of the form, the value of x corresponding to this point x is equal to A is fixed, and any point on this line means we are talking about the y can take any value. Similarly, if we take any point on this line, we have the form minus a comma y. So, what we obtain from this is that the equation of the line parallel to y axis, this is the line parallel to y axis, it is at a distance of a units from y axis. Then the equation of this line will be, x is equal to a. When we are talking about this line over here, it is line parallel to y axis. It is at a distance of a units on left side. This is on the left side. So, we are saying the equation of this line will be x is equal to minus a. So, these are the equations of the line parallel to y axis and at a distance of a units from the y axis. Similarly, when we are talking about the line, we are having this is the x axis over here, this is the y axis over here. We are talking about two lines. One is this line, this is parallel to this line, we are saying this is parallel to x axis and it is at a distance of b units from x axis. So, if we consider any point over here, this point we are saying this point it is b, it is fixed. So, any point on this line it is of the form x comma b. So, we are saying the equation of this line, that is basically y is equal to b, this is above the x axis, and if the point it or the line it lies below the x axis at a distance of b units, the equation of this line, it is y is equal to minus b. The equation of this line, it is y is equal to minus b. So, these are the equations of two lines which are parallel to x axis and at a distance of b units from the x axis. So, based upon this, we have this question. We have write down the equation of a line parallel to x axis at a distance of 5 units above the x axis. So, the equation will be y is equal to 5. At a distance 4 units below the x axis, the equation will be y is equal to minus 4. Similarly, the equation of a line parallel to y axis at a distance of 7 units on the left. 7 units on the left means if these are the x axis and y axis, 7 units on the left means we are talking about a line over here which is parallel to y axis. This point it is minus 7. So, what we obtain from this, that is the value of x that we have, that is equal to minus 7. And when we are saying at a distance of 3 units on the right hand side, we are saying at a distance of 3 unit means x is equal to 3. This is the line we have. So, we are saying the equation of this line we will have, it is x is equal to 3. Any point on this line if we have to write, we are saying the value of x, it is fixed, it is 3, and the y coordinate it can have any value. So, equation of this line, it is of the form x is equal to 3. Next is find the equations of the lines parallel to the axis and passing through the point minus 3 comma 5. So, suppose we are talking about these are the x axis and the y axis. We have this point minus 3, this is minus 3 comma 5, this point is over here, somewhere over here, this is the point minus 3 comma 5. So, we are talking about the equations of the line parallel to axis. This is the line parallel to x axis and this is the line parallel to y axis. For this line, the value of y it is fixed, that is equal to 5. For this line, the value of x it is fixed, it is minus 3. So, we are saying that the equation of this line, it is x is equal to minus 3 and equation of this line, it is y is equal to 5. Now, the next question we have is find the equation of a line which is equidistant from the lines x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 5. So these are the two lines given to us. So this is the x axis and the y axis. We are talking about two lines. One is x is equal to, this is the line x is equal to minus 3. This is line L1 we are saying, and there is another line, it is L2, and that line, this is line L2, this is x is equal to 5. So we are talking about a point that is equidistant from both these points. So we are saying this, suppose this coordinate of this point it is x. So we are talking about the value of this x will be 5 plus minus 3 by 2. We are talking about the midpoint of this. So the answer we will obtain, that is equal to 1. It means we are interested in a line which passes through this point, it is 1 comma 0. So the equation of this line will be x is equal to 1. So we are saying the equation of the line which is equidistant from the lines x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 5, it is x is equal to 1. Next is equation of a line in point slope form. Point slope form means that it is being given, so these are the x axis and the y axis. It is given that there is a line which passes through some point, this is the point A, the coordinates of this point it is x1, y1. This is the line that we want to find, and it is being given that the slope of this line it is m. So we want to find the equation of this line. In the previous case we were given 2 points, now we are talking about that this slope m is given and the point x1, y1 is given. Now suppose we are saying there is any point over here P whose coordinates they are x comma y, and we want to find this point P. Then we have 2 points, this is point A and this is point P. Using both these points we can calculate the slope m, that is equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. So this implies us that the equation of line that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where this x1, y1, these are the coordinates of the point A, and this point m, this value m, this is the given slope. So this form of equation of a line, this is called the point slope form. Next is find the equation of the line passing through the point 4 comma 3 and having the slope 2. So suppose we are saying this is the point 4 comma 3. There is another point on this line, it is p x comma y, and the slope of this line m is equal to 2, and that value is equal to y minus 3 over x minus 4. So when we solve this value, we get it is y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 8. So this implies us 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we are saying this is the equation of this line which is passing through the point 4 comma 3 and whose slope is m is equal to 2. Next is find the equation of the line which makes an angle of 135 with the x axis and pass through the point 3 comma 5. We are saying it is making an angle of 135 with the x axis and it passes through the point 3 comma 5. So from this angle 135 degree, the slope of this line m, that is equal to tan 135, that is equal to minus 1, it is minus of tan 45. We have this point, it is 3 comma 5. So the equation of the line that is y minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 into x minus 3. On solving this, we will obtain the equation of this line as x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now next question we have is find the equation of the line which passes through the point 3 comma minus 4. This is x axis, this is y axis. This is the point 3 comma minus 4 and it is parallel to the x axis. We are talking about this is the point 3 comma minus 4 and this line it is parallel to x axis. So clearly this point we have it is minus 4. So we are saying that the equation of this line, it is equal to y is equal to minus 4, or we are writing y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of this line. Next is equation of a line in 2-point form. 2-point form means we have, this is the x-axis and y-axis, this is the region O. We are saying that 2 points are given to us. One is this point A, it is x1, y1, and this is another point B, it is x2, y2, and there is a line which passes through these 2 points, and we have to find the equation of this line. So suppose we are saying there is another point on this line that we want to calculate. This is the any point P, x, y. This is the locus of the points on this line. So we are saying if we calculate the slope of this line PA, the value we will have it is y minus y1 over x minus x1. This slope should be equal to the slope of the line AB, and the slope of the line AB, it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the equation of line, we are saying it is y minus y1 over y2 minus y1, that is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. So this is the equation of the line, or we can write it in the form y minus y1, that is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and this value we are saying this is basically the slope that we have for this line. This is the previous form that we have already seen, where the slope and the points are given. In this case we are saying that 2 points are given, so in place of slope we are substituting the value of slope in terms of given points. So question based upon this we have is, find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So we are saying this is the point minus 1, 1. Next we have the point 2 comma minus 4. We have another point over here p x comma y. Whatever line we will have, the slope of this line, that will be equal to minus 4 minus 1 divided by 2 minus minus 1, and the answer we will have it is minus 5 by 3. And slope of line using these 2 points, it is minus 1 and xy. We are saying it is y minus 1 over x plus 1, that is equal to minus 5 by 3. This implies us that 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. So this implies us 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line which passes through these 2 points. Next is show that these 3 points, these are collinear. Also find the equation of the straight line on which these points lie. So to prove this result, you can calculate the area of the triangle, you can calculate their slopes, but over here what we are going to do, we are saying this is point A and this is point B, this is point C. We find the equation of point of this line AB, and then we show that this point C, it satisfies this equation. So it is up to you that how you want to solve this, but we are using this method. So we are saying the equation of the line, that will be y plus 2, that is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2 minus 3 into x minus x plus 2. This is the equation of the line AB. So we are getting it is y plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 5 into x plus 2. So we get it is 5y plus 10, that is equal to 2x plus 4. So we are getting 2x minus 5y is equal to 6. So this is the equation of the line AB. Now if we check whether this point C lies on it, we have to check whether this point C, it lies on this. So we are saying it is 2 into, we are talking about LHS, it is 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2 Answer we have it is 16 minus 10 is equal to 6, that is equal to RHS over here. So we are saying that this point 8 comma minus 2, it satisfies this equation. It means all these 3 points, they lie on a line, that is they are collinear. And we are saying the equation of the straight line on which these 3 lie, it is, this is the equation of this straight line. Next is show that these 3 points are collinear. Also find the equation containing them. So from the first 2 points, we are calculating the equation of the straight line. So that will be y minus b, that is equal to b over minus a into x minus 0. Now on simplifying this value, we obtain this is ay minus ab, that is equal to minus bx. So we are getting the equation bx plus ay minus ab is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line joining the points A and B. These are the points A and B. Now we have to check whether this third point C, it lies on this line or not. So we are substituting x is equal to 3a and y is equal to minus 2b in this equation. We will see it is b into 3a plus a into minus 2b minus ab. This is LHS. So this is equal to 0, that is equal to RHS. So we are saying that this C, point C, it lies on line AB. So what we obtain is that these 3 points, these are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. And this is the equation of the line containing these 3 points. Next is find the equations of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are, these are the 3 vertices. These are shown over here. This is the vertex A, B, C. So the equation of this side AB, it is y minus 8 over x plus 1, that is equal to minus 2 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 1. And on solving this, we obtain that the equation of this line, it is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Next we are calculating the equation of the side BC. So it is y plus 2 divided by x minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 plus 2 divided by minus 4 minus 4. And on solving this, we obtain the equation is x minus 9y minus 22 is equal to 0. Last we have to calculate the equation of the side AC. So that will be y minus 8 over x plus 1, that is equal to minus 3 minus 8 over minus 5 plus 1. We are using these 2 points. So this implies us that the equation we have, it is 11x minus 4y plus 43 is equal to 0. So these are the 3 equations of the, this is the first equation, second and third. These are the 3 equations of 3 sides of this triangle. Next is find the equation of the median of triangle ABC whose vertices are given. So we have to find the equation of the medians. So we are saying these are the points A, B and C. Now using these points, we can calculate the midpoints. Using point A and C, we get it is 2 minus 2 by 2, 5 minus 1 by 2. Answer we are getting this point E, it is 0, 2. Then we are using the point A and B. We are writing it is 2 minus 4 by 2, comma 5 plus 9 by 2. So the answer we are getting it is minus 1, 7. So this is the point F that we have. And the midpoint of C and D, the midpoint of C and D, it is minus 4 minus 2 by 2, 9 minus 1 by 2. The answer we will have, it is minus 3, 4. So this is the point D that we have. Now we have to calculate the equations of the medians. So first median we have it is AD. We have the coordinates of the point A, we have the coordinates of the point D. Using these two, we obtain the equation of the median AD. It is y minus 5 by x minus 2. That is equal to 4 minus 5 over minus 3 minus 2. So this implies us that the equation we have it is x minus 5y plus 23 is equal to 0. Next we are talking about the line BE. We have the coordinates of the point E, we have the coordinates of the point B. So the equation we have it is y minus 9 by x plus 4, that is equal to 2 minus 9 by 0 plus 4. This implies a 7x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the median BE. And last we are talking about the median FC. We have the coordinates of the point F, we have the coordinates of the point C. So the equation we have it is y plus 1 over x plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 1 over minus 1 plus 2. And on solving this, the equation we obtain it is this, it is 8x minus y plus 15 is equal to 0. So these are the three equations of the medians of this triangle. Next is find the equation of perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points. These are the 2 points given. This is the point A, this is the point B. We are talking about perpendicular bisector. So the point M we are saying, we have the points A and B. We are saying the midpoint of A and B, it is the point M. And the coordinates of this point, they are given by 2 plus 6 by 2. Comma 3 minus 5 by 2, and the answer we have it is 4 comma minus 1. These are the coordinates of the point M. The slope of this line AB, it is minus 5 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Now we are saying slope of line AB into slope of line ML, that is equal to minus 1, because both these lines, these are perpendicular to each other. So slope of the line ML, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So we are having a line which is passing through the point M, it is 4 comma minus 1, this is the point L, and the slope of this line, it is 1 by 2. So the equation of this line, it is given by y minus minus 1 by x minus 4 is equal to minus 2, is equal to 1 by 2. It is not minus 2, it is 1 by 2. And on solving this, we obtain the equation of this line as x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A 2 comma 3 and B 6 comma minus 5. Next we have is, if A, B, C are three vertices of a triangle ABC, then we have to find the equation of median through C, altitude through B, and right bisector of side BC. So these points, these are shown over here. This is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C. Now we have to find the equation of median through the point C. So to calculate the median through the point C, we have calculated the midpoint of A and B. It is 2 minus 2 by 2, comma 3 plus 1 by 2. So the coordinates we have it is 0, comma 2. Now we have to calculate the equation of the line CF. Now equation of this line CF, it is given by y minus 5 by x minus 4, that is equal to 2 minus 5 by 0 minus 4. And on solving this, we obtain the equation of the line CF, that is median through C. Its equation is 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Next we have to calculate is the altitude through B. So when we are saying altitude through B, this point B is given. Suppose it is at this point L. Now if we calculate the slope of the line AC, that is equal to 5 minus 1 over 4 minus 2, the answer we have that is equal to 2. So the slope of this line BL that we have, it is minus 1 by 2, because both these lines, these are perpendicular to each other. So we are talking about the equation of a line which passes through the point minus 2, 3 and whose slope is 1 by 2. And the equation of that line, it will be given by, we are saying the equation of this line will be given by y minus 3 over x plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. And this equation is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this line, which is the altitude through B. Last we have is right bisector of side BC. So we are having the coordinates of the point B, we are having coordinates of the point C. So the midpoint we have it is minus 2 plus 4 by 2, comma 5 plus 3 by 2. The answer we obtain corresponding to it, it is 1 comma 4. This is the midpoint. If we calculate the slope of the line BC, we are saying slope of the line BC, that will be equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 2. So the answer we will have that is equal to 1 by 3. So the slope of the perpendicular bisector that we will have over here, that we are saying the slope of this BC, it is 1 by 3. So the slope of the perpendicular will be minus 3. The product of these two should be equal to minus 1. We are saying the slope of this line, it is 1 by 3. The slope of the perpendicular will be minus 3, and this perpendicular is passing through the point 1 comma 4. So the equation of this line, this perpendicular, it is y minus 4 over x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So this implies us 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the right bisector of BC. Next is find the equation of the bisector of angle A of triangle ABC whose vertices are given. So this is the vertex A, this is B and this is C. We have to find the equation of the bisector of angle A. So we are talking about that if BAD, this line AD, it is the angle bisector, then the ratio BD, we are talking about this length, is to DC, we are talking about this length. That should be equal to the ratio of the sides, because this is the angle bisector that we have. So we are calculating this value over here and we obtain that the length of AB that we have, it is equal to square root of, we have the coordinates of this point, it is 5 minus 4 square plus 5 plus 2 square. Answer we have it is root 50, that is equal to 5 root 2. This is the length of AB. Similarly, the length of AC that we have it is 6 root 2. So we are getting that the ratio of these two lines, it is 5 is to 6. So coordinates of this line D, they are given by 5 into 4 plus 6 into 5 divided by 5 plus 6, and y coordinate it is 5 into minus 2 plus 6 into 5 divided by 5 plus 6. So the coordinates we obtain it is 50 by 11 comma 20 by 11. Now we have coordinates of the 2 points. The point A has the coordinates minus 2 comma 4. Point D has the coordinates 50 by 11 comma 20 by 11. We want to find the equation of the line AD. So equation of this line AD, it is y minus 4 over x plus 2, that is equal to 20 by 11 minus 4 over 50 by 11 plus 2. And on solving this equation, we obtain the final equation in the form x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So we are saying that the equation of bisector of angle A, it is x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of bisector of angle A.